got these steel ramps for a motorcycle to load on a truck. You can tell they're a little bit, one of them is in a loved condition. Come with these thin ratchet straps, which I would say that they are not heavy duty if you're looking for something that's more heavier to strap up, strap down, strap up, and get something different. These gloves are helpful. They have somewhat of a silicone little grip on it to keep your hands clean when you're loading something up. You can use these steel ramps for motorcycles, dirt bikes, stairs, lawn mowers, ATVs, trailers, e-bikes, etc. It includes an EVA sponge anti-skid so it doesn't slip from where you're placing the ramp on. Easy to carry handle. It has this nice anti-slip film, which is kind of like rough sandpaper so you don't slip when you're taking your items on the ramp. Overall, I think these are great quality made. Loading capacity is 1,300 pounds for the pair, and net weight is around 32.5 pounds, and recommended height is below 16.8 inches, made out of steel.